This is a subatomic particle. This is what you're made up of. This is what reality is made up of. This is everything you want and everything you don't want looks like before it becomes a physical manifestation of the house, the holiday, the car, the clients, the lifestyle, the relationship. Let me ask you a question. Would you like to know how to turn that subatomic particle effortlessly into the life of your dreams? Yes? You see, the aim is to have your little subatomic particles moving as fast and as light as possible to shift you into a different frequency. A frequency where you are literally a walking, talking, breathing human magnet for all of your deepest desires. Let me break it down for you. You've got an energetic body. When you upgrade your personal energetic frequency and unlock your capacity to hold more energy inside of your field, you instantly have the ability to have more quantum power with your thoughts, your words, your beliefs, your emotions, and your actions. And as a result, you become a powerhouse at calling into physical reality what it is you truly desire. So I've decided to give you access to this ridiculously powerful work. Ready? Awesome. Then click the link below and get started, legend.